What's going on, guys? Shannon from SP88 again, and today I've got a Ford Galaxy, and customer complained about the battery going flat if left for more than a couple of days. So every 2 days or so the battery will be flat. If you used every day, it's fine. So this is what I done to identify the fault. So I set up my multimeter on a current draw test. So positive to the battery, negative to the other terminal. So if you look at that, yeah, then you change over your meters. So the red goes on to the 10 amp, and then the black stays where it was. If it was doing a voltage test, you see the red would be on volts, yeah. So this 0.07 is good, you know. That's 70 milliamps. It's a bit high, I mean, but it's good. Before it was 1 amp draw, and the customer told me that the battery as well, the battery would go flat overnight and the alarm would go off in the middle of the night. And that's just what car alarms do. If it believes that the battery has been disconnected, it will set the alarm off. Customer did say though that the radio had been playing up, so obviously you always start with what's been playing up first in this game. And yeah, by disconnecting the radio like I have there, yeah, after 5 minutes, that's what we got. So I'm happy to say to the customer that they need to change their radio, because it hadn't even been working for some time. So I'm going to put this car back together with the radio disconnected until they find a new one. In this case, this might be the part number of the radio. On a Ford Galaxy. That's it. This is before it goes to sleep. I've just locked it, so you know that's 1.8 amps being drawn. I'll come back and show you what it's like in 5 minutes. And this is what you should expect to see on any car if it's good. All right. It's about 2 minutes later. That's where we're at. It's about 4 minutes later. So that at the moment is 200 milliamps. See, it's jumping up and down. This is what happens when the car is falling asleep. So come back again in another couple of minutes and we'll see where we're at. Another couple of minutes later, and here we go. Yeah, I haven't seen it go any lower than that. Bear in mind though, even though I have latched the doors, so the doors are thinking that they're locked on both sides, you know, and the alarm is disabled, I don't think I'm going to see any less than that today, but I'm happy to say that the radio being disconnected has fixed the problem. Alright guys, hopefully this video was helpful, and like and subscribe. Leave a comment to see if there's anything that you can teach me. Let me know if I could do something better next time, you know. It's all part of the game. SP88 in business in Sutton, which is like just to the outskirts of London. Sorry about the mess in the van. Wow, that's embarrassing. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Alright guys, I'm gonna lock up, disconnect this. Yeah, it's still there. It's all good, mate. Catch you later. Bye for now.